Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make kushiage. Kushiage is skewered fries. Because it's skewered, it's very easy to pick and eat, and depending on how you serve it, it can look very fancy, so it's perfect for party season. It looks like you spend a lot of time making it, but it's very easy and quick dish. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this kushiage, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Onion, shishito pepper, okra, eggplant, some quail eggs, shiitake mushroom, pork tenderloin, chicken tenderloin, about 1 cup all-purpose flour, panko breadcrumb, and some salt and pepper. At first, let's cut and skewer everything. Vegetables first. Shiitake mushroom. Cut the stem off. Cut it into half and skewer. Like this. Shishito pepper. Cut the stem off. Cut it into half and skewer. 2 to 3 pieces on one skewer. Like this. Eggplant. Cut the stem off. Remove this. Cut it into 4 long way. Then into half. And skewer. Okra. Okra is hairy, so I want to remove the hair. So I put some salt and roll it. Let's rinse and dry. Like this. Cut the stem off. Cut it into half and skewer. Quail eggs. Let's put 2 on one skewer. Onion. Let's cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut it into half, then into 3. Skewer. And this half, I want to skewer it with pork tenderloins. I'm going to cut it in a different way. Into half, into half, into half this way, and skewer. Pork tenderloin, let's cut it into 2 finger size. Put them face up. Beat them with the back side of the knife to tenderize. Then cut into half and skewer with the onion. Like this. Chicken tenderloin. It sometimes comes with this sinew and I want to remove it. So prepare disposal chopstick and kitchen paper. Put the sinew between the chopsticks. Like this. Grab this sinew with the kitchen paper because it's slippery and then pull it out. And you can easily remove the sinew. Let's cut it into half and skewer. Everything is skewered, so let's bread and fry them. I'm making batter now. 1 cup of water into 1 cup of flour. About 1 teaspoon salt and pepper. Mix it well. And the batter is ready. It's like a loose pancake dough. Panko breadcrumb. Panko is coarse, but for kushiage, we prefer to use fine breadcrumbs, so let's make it fine using this food processor. This is before. This is after. It's a lot finer. Prepare a glass and put some butter into the glass. Put skewered ingredients into the butter. Then panko breadcrumb. All done, so let's fry them. I'm heating up some vegetable oil, canola oil to be specific, over medium to medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature. So put the chopstick into the oil, and if small bubbles comes up from the chopstick, that's the right temperature. Looks good. So let's just put them into the oil gently, don't throw it in. And fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Looks good, so let's take them out. Everything is fried, so let's serve them. Today I'm serving them with 3 seasonings: garlic salt, tonkatsu sauce, and a mixture of ketchup and mayonnaise. This is kids' favorite. So prepare a big plate with 3 little bowls in the middle. Tonkatsu sauce in here. Ketchup and mayonnaise mixture. It's 1 to 1. And garlic salt in here. Kushiage around them. And Kushiage party plate is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Chicken Kushiage with tonkatsu sauce. いただきます。Shiitake mushroom with garlic salt. Okra with ketchup and mayonnaise. I'm so glad that I made this today. It's delicious and it's fun to think about what to put in which seasoning, and it's perfect for a party. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. I normally show you how to do a combo style meal that looks like this, but today Kushiage is great for a party, so let's do a party menu. So today, just rice, main, and 1 side dish. Kushiage is of course for the main dish. Kushiage is something that you can use your fingers to eat, so let's do the same for the other two so that you don't have to prepare chopsticks for everyone. For the rice, let's do onigiri rice balls. For the side dish, how about spicy garlic edamame? This is finger licking good. Because it's party, you don't have to put them in the layout like this. You can just put them randomly on the table and do a help yourself style. I hope you enjoy the party. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!